Hello and welcome to Philip Tomlinson's Gutters. Do you know how important rain gutters are? They protect your home from costly water damage that can occur from inclement weather. Installing rain gutters will protect your home, foundation, and flower beds, which will ultimately save you money. Rain gutters are an extremely important part of your complete home care, and we are here to help. So, what do you need to know about us? We are the best in the industry. We only use the top-of-the-line materials, backed with the best warranties. The materials have a 50-year guarantee to not chip, crack, or peel. We also provide up to a 20-year warranty on our labor. The length does vary based on the condition of the material on which we are anchoring the gutters. We are a family-owned and operated business. We specialize in residential and commercial gutter installation, whether you are looking for copper, aluminum, or steel. We offer both seamless and custom rain gutters, K-style, box, and half-round. We also offer the following services: leaf protection, gutter repair, and gutter cleanouts. We supply superior products, provide quality installations, and have the best customer service. Your satisfaction is important to us, and we will make sure you have a positive experience with Philip Tomlinson's Gutters.